Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shalini Srivastav, your friendly makeup artist and fashionpreneur. So today's video is not just actually about tutorial or any glam transformation. It is more like a little story from my life, one that started with a sleepless night and ended with a 10-minute glow. So grab a coffee or chai or green tea and feel relatable about it. Basically, Saturday night was one of those late night with your loved one, family, people, where we all were sitting together, chatting, laughing, enjoying the warmth of togetherness. So my in-laws had their train early morning, so I stayed up late helping them pack and making sure they had everything ready. By the time I went to bed, it was actually past midnight. And guess what? The alarm went off at 5 a.m. sharp. Half asleep, and I helped them get ready and saw them off. Now you'd think I'd go back to sleep, right? No, no, no. Sleep refused to come back, so I decided to make the most of that early morning energy. And that's when my Ghar Ka Kaam Wala mode activated. I went straight to my makeup studio, rearranged my products, wiped shelves, and cleaned my brushes because it actually felt therapeutic because cleaning always does when you love your workspace. And now, when the winter is around, knocking on the door, I pulled out all my little ones' woolen clothes, washed them, dried them under the soft sun, and felt so happy seeing those clothes getting dry. After finishing a few household work, I finally sat down with a cup of coffee and thought, what a productive Sunday morning. The house was quiet, the sun was soft, everything felt so peaceful. And since I didn't have any client booking, that day I decided that would be my relaxation day. And I finished lunch, closed all notification, and told myself just go for a 20 minutes powerful nap. But right when I was about to dive into the beautiful nap zone, my phone buzzed. It was my friend. She said, "Hey, we are coming over tonight." And my half sleepy self was like, "Wait, tonight?" Nap cancelled, power mode on. I got up, took a nice, refreshing shower. But honestly, I was not actually in the mood to do full glam up look. Still, as a makeup artist and a fashionpreneur, I believe you don't always have to go full glam, but you should always feel put together. So I challenged myself, let's get ready in 10 minutes flat and still look fabulous. Now I just use CTM, easy cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, and my base ritual. Cleansing CTM I did with hyphen product, and then I had to use corrector. So I used Krylon orange corrector to brighten those under eye dark circles because of no sleep, because that was need to be corrected. Then I use Sugar Popper foundation with smooth, quick to blend and perfect for a natural finish. I used blush from K Beauty, just light a tap on the cheeks to bright that healthy glow. Setting powder, I used Krylon translucent powder to lock everything in place and remove shine. Yeah, lip shade, I use PAC lip liner with Forever 52, a soft nude tone, elegant and light and casual for evening. Eyes, I used tiny pop-up of Maybelline mini eye product, and this again I got from Nykaa. That is a free of cost because I usually order luxury products from Nykaa. Contour, just a touch because I am a contour girl. Then I use setting spray from Europe Girl Makeup Fixer, which seals everything so beautifully and that gives long lasting finish. And that's it. In just 10 minutes, I went from sleepy and tired to feel fresh and confident. When my friend will arrive, I'm sure they will like my look because I am looking very fresh and this is new me. No nap, just a makeup magic. Honestly, it wasn't just about makeup, it was about that little boost of self love, even after a long, tiring day. Taking a 10 minutes of break and work on yourself and shift your energy is beautiful. So, my love, if you ever have one of those chaotic, sleep deprived days, don't stress. All you need just 10 minutes break and use 10 minutes powerful easy way product to make yourself glowy and beautiful. Remember, it's not about looking perfect, but it is about feeling refreshed, confident in your own skin tone. That is actually my Ghar Ka Kaam Wala Sunday with full of love, laughter, hectic schedule, and lots of work. So, I mean, if you are watching this, I really want to remind you that even if you're busy, no, take out time, because at times when we are really busy, we are full of work, but we need small moment to create ourselves beautiful. It's time to take care of yourself, because the most radiant glow is the one of the most important thing. Thank you so much for watching, for supporting, and for being a beautiful part of this beautiful story. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for my more makeup stories, quick routines, and real life glam inspiration. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and most important, stay yourself. Thank you so much, guys. Love you, and have a great weekend. And I'll post